In the beginning of the video, you're watching some footage of wasted foods. I collected these photos from wedding party, restaurant wastage, community dustbin, and from individuals' plate. You know it or not, every year a certain amount of food is produced in the world for its growing population. And you believe it or not, a fixed amount of food is allocated for you also. But you can buy more food because you have more money. So when you buy more food, you are actually buying the food of another person from another corner of the world. And when you destroy your excessive food, you're actually putting that person hungry. Because the food you destroy is the meal of another person. So when million of us do the same thing, this is what happens to million of them. Every year, around 1.3 billion tons of food are destroyed in the world. If the destroyed food is considered to be a country, this is the third largest producer of carbon dioxide after US and China. And only 1/4 of this wasted food can solve the food crisis of 795 million undernourished people in the world who are in great need of food. We all know how difficult it is to go to sleep hungry. And in Indian subcontinent, around 300 million people go to sleep every night with their empty stomach. So who will take care of them? The food you get prepared in front of you is the result of hard work of many people. A group of farmers cultivated that food for you. A group of them selected the best quality food for you. A group of people carried this food from one corner of the world to your desired place. And a group of people prepared this food at your desired level of taste. So when you destroy a small amount of food, you actually devaluate the whole food supply chain and you are disrespecting the hard work of all these people. You may think that you have money so you buy this food, but this is the wrong perception. Imagine there is no rain, lands are arid, there is no way of cultivating food, and there is no food supply. But you have millions of dollars. So how can you manage to get food if there is no food available in the world? And when you are in disease, you have some restriction of foods. So now you can enjoy all type of food. That means you are blessed. So you should share this blessing to other people who are not. Because when we share our blessing, it just increases. So who will bring the solution of all these problems? The person who destroys food has to bring the solution. If you cannot consume your excessive food, preserve it for the next use or give it to the hungry people around you. If there is any residue, give it to the animals because they need food also. So there is a lot of way we can minimize our wastage of food. So think twice before destroying food because wasting food, we are committing a crime silently without any repentance. So think before destroying your food and think about these people who have no reason to stay hungry and die for food.